How to create a simple kinetic warp text animation in After Effects. Creating a simple kinetic warp text animation in After Effects is an easy and effective way to add a unique touch to your videos. Inspired by Panther, I've added some personal touches to the process. Let's dive right into the video. First, we need to create the text. Use the shortcut Ctrl+T to access the type tool. Then, click on the preview screen and type your desired text. Choose a font that suits your project. I personally like the bold font. After setting your text, it's time to add an effect. Navigate to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for the Mesh Warp plugin and apply it to your text layer. For the plugin settings, go to the Effects Controls panel and adjust the rows to 3, the columns to 4 and the quality to 8. Create a keyframe for distortion mesh and move a bit further in the timeline to start animating. Select the text and you will see movable boxes. Focus on selecting the 3 middle lines, top, middle and bottom, while holding shift for multiple selections. Animate by sliding to the left or right to see what looks best. After completing one slide, move slightly further in the timeline and repeat the process for the other side. 10. Move further in the timeline again. Copy the first keyframe, the default one, and paste it to reset the animation. To smooth out the animation, select all the keyframes and apply Easy Ease by pressing F9. Then, open the graph editor, select the edit speed graph, and then select all the keyframes and follow what I do with the graph. Adding movement to the text can enhance the effect. Press R for the rotation keyframes on the text layer. Set the keyframe at the beginning with a value of 100%. Then move further in the timeline and adjust the value to 0. Apply Easy Ease to these keyframes and adjust them in the graph editor as before. For a final touch, add a scale zoom effect. Press U to display all keyframes. Then press S to open scale keyframes. Set the keyframe at the beginning of the zoom effect and another where you want it to end. Choose your desired value. Apply Easy Ease and go to the graph editor and follow what I do with the graph. Enable motion blur for both the text layer and the composition to add realism to the animation. If the result feels too slow or too fast, you can easily adjust the timing by expanding all keyframes with U. Select the ones you wish to adjust, holding Alt and dragging left or right. And there you have it, your very own simple kinetic warp text animation ready to enhance your video projects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.